What's up, everybody? How's it going? I just got to the harbor and I'm gonna check on my boat, and I think we're gonna do a little boat tour today. I had a few people inquiring about that, inquiring, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I've been up to. I just noticed a little bit something peculiar here in the harbor. Look at this boat. That's crazy. It's about to sink in the water. That's so heavy. Looks like a cool boat. Anyway, we're gonna check out my boat. Gonna give you guys a tour and some updates on Ta'aroa. Here we go, Ta'aroa in all of her prime. Well, here's my boom. I cleaned off this gooseneck and I got it all sanded down, and I put some primer on it, and then I put some paint on it, and it looks really good. This is some of the products that I use right here. Pre-coat, and then this product. Not so bad. I usually try to keep this thing clean, but so if you guys have been following along, I've been doing a lot of restoration on this boat. I'm just gonna go through and show you guys what I've been up to. It's been a slow process, but yeah, enough talking. So this is the V-berth. I pulled off all these planks, and I noticed that underneath the paint was really dirty. There was a lot of like mold and stuff, and so I ripped those off, and then I did a light sand on these, and then I put varnish on those, Epifane's varnish, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Yeah, so I also installed this little latch holder. I don't know the name for that, but it's working really great. This is another project that's going to be coming up. I got this from SailorJames. If you guys watch his YouTube channel, he visited Hawaii and he gifted me that, which is super awesome. I have made some merch that I'm going to be coming out with soon. This is like a bento pack. It's made out of PLA plastic. And here's a coffee cup. And it's been awesome. No rust. I've had this thing for about 4 or 5 months now. But yep. I ended up putting up this vinyl. That looks really good. And I put these light racks up that are, well, they're supposed to be water. There it is. And they just have these AA batteries, and then they're kind of activated by the switch, which is really cool. I got some new stickers coming out too, so yeah. Painted the top cabin, and alongside here more of these planks that I pulled off, and I painted behind that with some, I think I used Pettit, and so far so good. It looks really good. Moving forward, I got a huge project coming up this weekend. I think I'm gonna be trying to lower this mast. It's got a tabernacle. So this boat was built in 1968 in the Netherlands. I think there was only 1,500 made, and I think there's only 200 left in existence. So it's got the super thick fiberglass hull, and then it's got this teak deck with fiberglass underneath, and it's been pretty watertight so far. And this is the project. I'm bolting this right here, and my neighbor right here, my neighbor Joe's gonna be helping me lower the mast with his halyard. And I got my other buddy Wes, my neighbor right here, who's gonna pull alongside here when this guy goes out for fishing, and we're gonna tag team up and just lower the mast on this tabernacle. So that should be a project. I'm gonna document that. Just dug a booger out of my nose. If you guys remember, this tow rail had like a huge chunk taken out of it, so I found some teak, a nice board. It cost $100, and I just basically unbolted all these bolts, pulled out all the old stuff, and then I just kind of shaped that in place, and yeah, it came out pretty nice. Had to unbolt this stanchion. Is it stanchion? It's a just part of my standing rigging. Pretty heavy duty stuff, and yeah, it came out really nice. So if you guys have watched some of my older videos, I bought this boat on the Big Island. It's a little bit rainy out here. Bought this boat on the Big Island last year, and it's been a big project, a lot of money. And I got the top cabin painted, and you can see right here that tow rail where I patched it. And all I got to do is just sand this down and then revarnish it. I got new halyards installed, and in the process of taking the halyards out, I pulled them all out accidentally, and I had this one halyard for my spinnaker, and that was the only halyard I had, and I managed to pull my friend up on this janky rope, and and he fed through the new halyards. So oh yeah, so one of the problems with this boat was, well, the only problem is when I ran aground a few months ago, I blew the gearbox. So I'm just saving up for a new one. It's about $1,300. But in the meantime, I've managed to install this. It's a water exhaust, kind of water lock, and I replaced this tubing that goes from the heat exchanger, and then that just pumps right out into the outside of the boat where the exhaust goes right out. And so yeah, that's gonna be another project. So yeah. So yeah, oh yeah, I got some new winches, secondhand Lumar self-tailing winches. And the next projects are going to be working on some electrical. I got this, like, I think that's like a 50-watt solar panel which trickles down, and it just connects to my batteries. And then this is the charge controller. And it looks like that is charging. And that's my inverter. I didn't realize it was a 1,000-watt inverter. But yeah, that just connects up to the battery, and I can plug up 2 outlets to that. 2 things, 2 120 products, refrigerator, coffee maker, something like that. And I installed 2 new batteries in there. Well, yeah. And yeah, that's what I've been kind of up to. In the meantime, I managed to get my captain's license. I got my 6-pack captain's license through Mariner's Learning System, and I'm gonna be upgrading that to a 100-ton here in the next month or so. And I also got my sailing endorsement, so I'm hoping to pick up some cool jobs with that. I guess I could show you guys what kind of is in this kit. I had an electrician come by, and I want to install this inverter or power charger, and try to get some shore power. I think there's a shore power outlet on this boat right here. I think this is for shore power. I'm not sure. And I want to have this boat basically be able to charge itself with solar, and I want to be able to have an espresso machine to make coffees, and maybe a refrigerator. I also, somebody gave me this little washer and dryer. Be cool to kind of integrate that into the boat too, but we'll see. I got Uncle Tom coming to pick me up, so we're gonna go to West Marine and get some things for his boat. I probably should organize this, but this is the original engine manual for the MD7A motor. It's It's got all the diagrams and maintenance procedures for fixing everything on that engine. And then that guy wants me to captain for him, and you know, we'll see. But it's got some cool schematics in here, stuff like this. And it's all in German too. Boat was made in Netherlands, but I guess they speak German in the Netherlands. But yeah, some cool stuff, cool history. You get your Rhode Island sounding chart for your chart plotting. And yeah, I don't really want to go through the details of all this, but here's a slide ruler. Comes with a really good assortment of tools like chart plotting, and really happy with Mariner's learning system. Learn a lot of stuff, and I'm still learning. But yeah, it's been a year, and I just wanted to do this video to give you guys an update of what I've been up to. I'm going to be trying to post more weekly videos now that I got this new GoPro, and I really appreciate you guys' feedback. If you guys have any advice, I would humbly appreciate it, and or any suggestions. And thanks for watching. In the meantime, have a great day, and aloha, hui ho.